Under the Allocations tab, select Bills. You are able to view bills in both the card view and the table view. Use the Filters button for options to filter for your bill. This can help finding the bill much quicker. You may also filter by unallocated bills. If you have the supplier or reference, you can search for it in the search bar. Once you see the bills you would like to delete, check the boxes to the left. Click Actions above the list of bills. Choose Delete from the Actions drop-down box. Once you click Delete, a warning prompt will appear. Click Delete to continue the process, or click Cancel to stop the deleting process. When the bill is deleted, it will remove any attachments the bill had attached to it, and remove it from any allocated project or tasks.